Find the Boolean function f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. Now we have to reduce this function using SOP and draw the logic gate diagram for the reduced SOP. Then first itself we need to draw the came up with how many variables? 4 variables. So draw the schema. Then here AB, top side CD, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, how can we represent 0, 0? A bar, B bar, 0, 1, A bar, B, AB, then AB bar. Then 0, 0, this one is equal to C bar, D bar. This is C bar, D. This is CD and this is CD bar. Okay. Next, we need to represent the numbers, inside numbers. 0, 1, 3, 2. Next line 4, 5, 7, 6. Next 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. You have to write this in small size at the bottom right corner of each column. Then check this question sigma 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. This is an SOP, so you have to put 1 at each of these columns. First number is 8. Put 1 there. Next one 9. After that 10. Next 11. After 13. 13 is here. Next one is 15. Okay. First you mark the numbers in these columns. Now mark 1. The remaining columns we can put 0. Then first itself, what is the first step? Need to check, is there any octet? Octet means 8 ones are adjacent. Here 8 ones are not adjacent. So next we can check, is there any quad? What is a quad? Quad means 4 ones are adjacent. Yeah, first we can check. Yeah, this is a quad. See, 8, 9, 11, 10 forms a quad. Then first itself you can circle that quad. 8, 9, 11, 10. Then reduce the expression of quad 1. Quad 1 is equal to, what's the reduced expression of this quad? Check the left side. AB bar. Check the top side. See here D bar is changing to D. Next C bar is changing to C. So we can remove that two variables C and D. So reduced expression of quad 1 is equal to AB bar. Okay. Next, check, is there any other quad? See here, which one is remaining? This 13 and 15 is remaining. This, you don't form this 13 and 15 as a pair, because we can make this 13, 15, 9, 11 as a quad. That is, if there is a quad, you should have to circle that quad, not a pair. Okay, so see here that we can make this 13 and 15 a pair, but that is not the correct way. If you are making this as a pair, we won't get the reduced expression. If there is a quad, first itself you have to represent it as a quad. See, this 13, 15, 9, 11 we can make it as a quad. We can circle that one. Then reduce the expression of quad 2. Quad 2. Then how can you find the reduced expression? See the left side. AB and AB bar. Which variable is changing? This B is changing to B bar. So we can remove that variable B. Remaining thing is A. So put that A. Okay. Then check the top side. C bar D, here CD. Which variable is changing? C bar is changing to C. Remaining thing D. AD. Reduce the expression of quad 1 is AB bar. Reduce the expression of quad 2 is equal to AD. So, reduced SOP is equal to AB bar plus AD. AB bar plus AD. This is the reduced SOP. That is, here in this Carnot map, there are two quads. First quad is 8, 9, 11, 10. Second quad is 13, 15, 9, 11. That is, if you want to find the reduced SOP using a Carnot map, first itself we need to check it is how many variables are using. If it is a 4 variable K-map, we need to draw the 4 variable K-map. Normally in the exam, this 4 variable K-map is asking as a question. Then after that, we need to write the side numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Corresponding times we need to write min times. Then next we need to write the inside numbers, that 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Then check the question. In the question, what are all the numbers given? In that columns, we need to put 1. Then need to check, is there any octet? If there is any octet, first itself you have to mark that octet. Then need to check quad. If there is a quad, then mark the quad. Last, we need to check that pair. Then find out the reduce the expression of each one. Then add each term. Then we will get the reduced SOP. Here reduced SOP is equal to AB bar plus AD. Now we need to draw the logic gate diagram of this reduced SOP. Here reduced SOP is AB bar plus AD. Next we need to draw the logic gate diagram of that reduced SOP. How to draw that diagram? Can check how to draw that diagram. I'll show the reduced SOP is this one, AB bar plus AD. Then to draw the diagram of this AB bar plus AD, first check the first variable A. We can draw the A. Okay. Next, which one is there? A, B bar. Next, B bar. How to find out the B bar? Which logic gate is required to represent B bar? NOT gate. Next variable is B. So, first you put one B. Then we need to get B bar. How to get B bar? One NOT gate. See, here we got B bar. Output of NOT gate is B bar. Input is B. For the NOT gate, how many input is there? For NOT gate, one and only one input. B is the input, then output is B bar. Next, AB bar. How to represent this? AB bar. That is AND gate. For AND gate, which is the gate we required AND. Yeah, in that class I told you AND, last letter is D. So how to represent AND gate? Yeah, D. This is AND gate. What is the AND gate output? Here, what are the input of this AND gate? One input is A, second input is B bar. So the output is A, B bar. Now we got the first type, A, B bar. What is the next type? AD. A is already it is there. See here A is there. So we can take that A from there. Okay. We can take that A from here. Next variable is D. D we need to draw. Okay. Then for representing AD, which is the gate? AND gate. For representing AD, we need AND gate. Now we got the output AD. So first A is there. So we took that A from here. Then we next D. AND gate of here. One input is A. Second input is D. So the output is AD. Then how to represent this? Now we got the first term AB bar. Second term AD. Then how to get this plus? Plus represent which gate? OR gate. Which is the OR gate? Here input of one OR gate is AB bar. Input of the OR gate is AB bar and second input is AD. Then how to draw the OR gate? Like this we can draw the OR gate. Okay, what will be the output? AB bar plus AD will be the output. Like this we can draw the logic gate diagram. Yeah, in exam, if they are asking, draw the logic gate diagram of the reduced SOP, then you have to draw the logic gate diagram also. Otherwise, you just find out the reduced SOP. A, B bar, first itself, which is the variable A. Next, B bar. For representing B bar, we need one NOT gate. Then how to represent A, B bar? This multiplication. So we need AND gate. AND gate is this D diagram. Then output of this AND gate is AB bar. Next term is AD. A is there, so we can take that A from there. Then D. Then output of this AND gate is AD. Then next we need to represent this plus. Plus means OR gate. Then one OR gate. Output of this OR gate will be AB bar plus AD. This is the logic gate diagram of this reduced SOP.